In the ground, the loud sound of students in the classroom, and in 16 to 18 months, we all have understood that there is no substitute of offline classes, because learning is not only sitting in the home and studying. You learn many things from your classmates. You learn many things when you come to school. When you come to school, you become sincere. You follow a certain routine which makes you successful. Those things are very important. But we need to understand that we cannot wait too long to normalize the situation. We cannot leave all the things. When the situation will normalize, then we will start all the things again. We need to move with the current situation, because बोला गया है कि कई बार आपदा में जो अवसर ढूंढते हैं वहीं आगे बढ़ते हैं. So many of the case studies you will find that many of the companies which are suffering in this COVID period, but few companies are still making growth. So how it is possible? So you can take it in both ways. You can feel demotivated as well as you can feel motivated, that you are getting more time to stay at home. You are online. You are in contact with the teachers. Try to get more things from them. So I hope the class 9 and 10, these 2 years are very important. Getting marks in the examination is not very important. Many of the students are only bothering about getting good marks in the examination by any means, hook or crook. So getting success is not getting marks only, because at last one thing will help only, that is your knowledge. If you have knowledge, you will survive in this competitive world. If you will only believe in the marks, marks should reflect your knowledge. If you don't have knowledge and you get marks, that is not going to solve any purpose. So always strive for knowledge. How can we get knowledge? If we compare your time with our time, we find you have more information in comparison to us. At our times, we have only one source of information, one source of knowledge, that was teacher. But today you have at your fingertip, you have mobile. That is a treasure of knowledge. How can you use it? Either playing long hours of Free Fire, or online games, or using it for your educational purpose. Yes. So I hope on this Independence Day, we hope very soon we will be able to continue the classes in the normal situation. I pay my tribute to all those freedom fighters who fought for our country. That's why we are independent today. And I hope you all will study hard to become a fruitful citizen or a better citizen of India, and you will serve the country in any means wherever you will be. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you.